Good morning to you all. It is a wonderful Sunday morning and Jan and I have taken the kayak out again on the beautiful River Bear. This time we are heading off to Buxton Mill. I hope you enjoy the footage. You won't hear much of me gabbering on about the beauties of this stretch of the river. I'll just let the flow of the water and the music do the work for us. Have an enjoyable day, whatever you're up to on your weekend, and I'll speak to you all soon. Nearly knocked it in the water then. That would have been a good clip. Okay.
It's going.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what that lady said, wasn't it? Funny old bit of kit, isn't it?
Isn't it? Bit like farmyard machinery for the river. The weed cutting it is. Oh, look at all those. Beautiful. I was thinking a minute ago, I saw one. Whilst it was all over, it's because they're hiding here. Look at them. Wow. That might have been one of the places, the popular places. It's getting narrow up here. I thought last week we'd have got bitten more than this week.
Yeah.
Wow.
Did you set your watch?
Yeah. So, I'm hoping it's going to do. I think it tells them we've been in 38 minutes anyway.
Right.
That doesn't feel like that, does it to you?
No.
No. And I set it just as we were getting in. So it can only be like, it might be 36 minutes we've been. I think it will tell me on my watch, on my phone, distance and stuff. If not, I'll have to work out how to set it. So I'd like to do, if you could do a course actually. got. That would probably do it. I'll have to look into it a bit more. It'd be quite nice, wouldn't it, just to see routes and things.
Yeah.
You know when you get a map and it just shows you all the squiggles and bits. Well, not a map, a line. Lovely and peaceful.
I don't think I heard a car.
I heard the helicopter a minute ago. Had some people's voices, but not nothing now.
So for the island.
Oh, there we go. Oh, good of you.
We got a hat.
You bitten?
Yeah.
It's a lovely weekend willow, isn't it?
Beautiful. A lot of hidden dangers in between, isn't there?
What in there?
Yeah,
What the
branches and so
branches
forth.
and front bits? Yeah. We've got branches hanging.
That's a railway track.
Yeah, I was thinking, what is that?
That must be the Bur Valley Railway.
Oh yeah.
Pity there ain't one going over and
Well, I did think that just then. It's quite shallow, this bit.
days.
Oh yeah. Definitely a path along there.
Yeah. Buxton Mills up ahead.
Well, should we go as far as there and turn round?
Mm-hmm.
Will that get a bit busier?
I don't know. I don't know if people go in at Buxton.
Oh, we'll have a look then.
They're on.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Give off.
So we can look at the Buxton.
Oh, there you go. What was that about? Cars and stuff?
Mm.
And then I was just kind of about walking, and then there were two people walking, and now we can see buses and things. I'm a bit of a twit. I've left a bottle of water in the car, haven't I?
You have.
Yeah. I'll see what those look like in a minute. Bottom left. Yeah.
That's why it's got that resin bit on the bottom.
Yeah. Well, if I hit the bottom, I think it might have been that
I
clump
don't
of
know,
trees
there's
on the bottom.
a little bit round the tree there, look, on the right.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's a lovely tree as well, isn't it? Massive.
Yeah.
Looks like that's been there for a while.
Couple of years.
Yeah.
Precipice and a half.
Yeah, isn't it? Oh, I'm comfortable this week. Last week I was
Are you alright?
sick. Yeah, my leg's gone dead. Well, that's definitely a mill, isn't it? That white building.
Yeah.
Considering we're staying near the town, it is quiet. Mind you, early-ish, but not early. the bottom.
Bottom. See how far we can get before we round out.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. It's obviously not having a lot of rain, have we? Turn round.
Go a little bit further.
Oh,
That's it.
I told you we should turn round. Oh,
We've
yeah,
perhaps got through up here because that's quite deep here. Look.
yeah, that bit is. It's just this bit here.
Do you want to try it or do you want to?
Oh, no, I don't know if we'll do it, to be honest. We'll have a go. It is still quiet. Woo! Oh.
Are we moving? Well, I don't think we're moving,
We're
are
not
we?
moving at all.
I think part of that is due to the flow of the water.
That's that flow there, isn't it? Ooh.
That's the skegs that are digging in anyway.
Yeah.
So this is as far as we can go towards Buxton Mill.
At the moment, I think if we had, do you want to do a, oh, strimming?
He's got a string, I think. Yeah.
We do a plot, so I do that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got a little bit there. But yeah, just so that we get even muscle tone. Yeah, I wonder, you know, like if we have heavy rain and stuff, we might make it further.
Yeah.
And I suppose if we didn't have the skates on, we might make it further.
Yeah.
If we leave it for the steering
Yeah.
at the moment. Till we get good. Goes round the tree. I was looking to see if there's a little